Look at this. Stone from the river, leaf from the big tree at school, button from grandma old coat, ribbon from last birthday.
Mom drew this. She drew it when I was 4. She said, "This is you, Nora. This is who you are."
I think she was wrong, Patch. Today she was wrong. Is that the same lunchbox from last year?
2 years ago.
It is so old. Look at that dent.
Nora, hey Nora.
Yes?
Is your mom too poor to buy a new lunchbox? My mom says her family lives in that small apartment near the market, the building with the broken window. I feel sorry for you. Mom woke up early to pack this. She always wakes up early. She works the morning shift. Then she comes home. Then she works the evening shift.
It's a beautiful evening.
Yes.
You are the girl from Building 7, yes? Sunflower girl. Your mother has sunflowers on the balcony. Beautiful flowers. I pass every morning. Why do you look like the sky fell on you?
I had a bad day.
School?
Someone said my family is poor. I think so. We don't have much money. Today it felt like it did.
And does that make you less? I had no shoes until I was 12. My children had no shoes until they were 8. My grandchildren have 3 pairs each. Are they right? None of them are the shoes. None of me is the no shoes. Do you understand?
I think so.
You are not your lunchbox.
Someone said my lunchbox was old.
My cart is 30 years old. It still carries good vegetables. The carrots do not become bad carrots because the cart is old. Here. For the walk home, so you are not hungry.
I have money. I can pay.
I know you have money. I am not giving it because you don't have money. I am giving it because I want to. There is a difference.
Hi, sunflowers.
Patch, Priya said we are poor. Priya has a big lunchbox, pink, with a unicorn, and a cold pack inside, and 3 compartments. My lunchbox has 1 compartment, but Mom always puts a folded napkin inside, and she draws a small face on it. A happy face. Priya's lunchbox. Have a face. Nora Bird, you're home.
Hi, Mom.
What happened? Nothing. Nora. Someone said we are poor. Who said that? A girl at school, Priya. What else did she say? She said our apartment is small. She said my lunchbox is old. She said she feels sorry for me. How did that feel? Like I wanted to disappear. Like I was something broken. Nora, can I show you something? Do you know where these pots came from? Grandma's house, and the market, and one from the sidewalk near school. Yes, the sidewalk one was thrown away. Someone left it because it was cracked. If it holds soil, it can hold a soiler. We are like this pot, Nora. We do not have everything.
but we hold good things.
But Priya said.
Priya said something unkind. And maybe Priya said it because she has never had to learn what really matters. I am not angry at Priya. I feel a little sorry for her.
Why? She has everything.
She has never had to find out what she is made of. When everything is easy, you never find your own. You found yours already.
When?
When you learned to read in 1 month because we could not afford the extra class. When you carried groceries up 4 floors and never complained. When you shared your lunch with the new boy who forgot his last Tuesday. I know. And you did not even think about it, you just gave. That is not poverty, Nora. That is richness. Mom, at school tomorrow, what if they say it again? They might.
What do I do?
You know what sunflowers do when there is no sun?
They turn. They look for it.
They always find it. They do not stand still and cry. They turn toward the light. Tomorrow, when someone is unkind, toward the light. Find one thing that is good, one real thing, and hold it.
Like my tin box?
Same lunchbox. Yes. Doesn't it bother you? No. Why not? My mom draws this. She wakes up for RV. Your lunchbox has 3 compartments, mine has 1, but mine has a face.
I like my lunchbox. Is it okay if I sit here? Yes. I saw what you said to that girl. About the face on the napkin. Oh.
That was brave.
It didn't feel brave. Brave things never feel brave when you do them. My grandma says that. What's your name? Beatrice, but everyone calls me B. We moved here last month. I don't have many friends yet. I don't have many either. I have egg. Rice and egg is good.
Sunflower girl, how was today?
Better. I said something true.
When you say a true thing, it becomes light.
It was scary to say it. Like the sunflower. A little taller.
For your mother, for her cooking, do not argue.
She can smell it from the street sometimes.
You can smell it from the street?
3rd floor, yellow curtains. It always smells like garlic and love.
What is this?
From Mr. Elias. He says your cooking smells like garlic and love.
That old man.
Mom, I showed Priya a napkin.
You did?
I told her mine has a face, and hers doesn't.
What did she say?
Nothing. She had no words.
Good.
And I met a new girl. Bia, we shared lunch.
Is she kind?
She is. Her grandma says brave things never feel brave when you do them.
Her grandma is smart.
Thank you.
Nora Bird,
Mom.
I am proud of you. How do you know? You put a face on my napkin every morning. That is how I know. Patch. They still hurt. I would have said something how I never end. Stone, leaf, button, drawing. Yeah. I think there is room for more. Good days make good things. Good things go in the box. The box gets heavier. I know which one I want.
Mom, can I help?
Yes, come here. Wash the herbs Mr. Elias gave us.
What are we making?
Something with garlic.
And love?
Always. We are not poor in the ways that matter. That is what I think.